In this video, we will learn about how to draw an ear. Firstly, we will draw roughly sketch. After making rough sketch of ear, we will make it fair with the help of 6B pencil. Let's do it. We should begin shadings with the light tone, so here I use H and 2B pencil. After using light tones, we will go to darker one, and in the dark shadows we will use 4B, 6B or 8B pencil according to your level of shades. Is it medium or dark? It all depends on the shadows and your observation skill. For detailing, I use here H pencil because it is hard and it gives best detailing in the shading. In shadows, we will go light, medium and dark tone, layer by layer. Here our main highlight is ear, not the background, so I use here crisscross sketching roughly. But we will merge it with the help of blending strong, so it will give smooth effect. If you want the tutorial of lips and I had mentioned both the tutorial links below the description box. Go and check it out.